Hi, and welcome back to Equixly. Now we're going to dive a bit deeper into how to create a project, and then we're going to take a look at the issues that can be found after a scan has completed running. So to create a project, we'll head over to our project list here on the left, and then we'll hit Create New Project here. We'll give the project a description. For example, this is my company's API, and let's give it also a name like company's API. At this point, we'll hit on next. And here we can upload an OpenAPI specification file, which can be either JSON or YAML. Now, this is a very common file type that's used by developers to describe how the API works. If we click here, we'll be able to upload it. Let's say we're uploading for this demo a YAML file it's also called a Swagger file with the specifications for an API. Once this is done, we'll see the number of endpoints that are covered here, and we can also give it a base URL that's going to be used for testing. Let's say we have a testing environment, which is on testing.example.com. If it's a production URL, we can also trigger this little radio button here. Now, once we click next, we can give it some authentication parameters and also some key value pairs. So what are these things? So let's say we have an admin account that we want to give our penetration tester. We can specify it here. So this could be admin account, and it could be, for example, a header, and it could have a key, which is header token, and it could have a value, which is our token in this case. And the profile type would be admin, and the description could be this is our admin account. Once you've done that, we can also specify any key value pairs. For example, let's say this is a bank and you'd like to create a new savings account. You could give it a key, for example, account type, and write savings, or anything else that the system would know how to use and that the penetration tester is not aware of. So here you can add some more information, but after you've done that, you can hit next and schedule the running frequency. So in this case, let's say we're running this penetration test weekly until the end of the year. And we'll add 31st of December here. And we want to run it during business hours, so we will not toggle this switch because our developers are available to see any new issues that come up during the day. Now, if this was a production service, maybe you don't want to run it during business hours and you want to run it at night and then get the results the next day. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. Now, once we click next, you'll get a summary of the penetration test, and you can add it to the queue for running. Once that is done, you'll see it's pending, and once the scan has run, you'll see the results in our results tab with all the scans that have been run and also the issues that have been found, which we will explore right in the next video. See you soon.